Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. You can call me Charles, and today I will be making a quick tutorial on how to turn a landscape video into like a stylized vertical portrait video they can post on Instagram or TikTok. So I actually got this idea from my dad. Shout out to you, Dad. And without further ado, we're going to get straight into it. The program I'm going to be using today is called CapCut. I normally use Adobe Premiere, but CapCut is free, and so I know everybody can have access to it. And it's actually a very good program with great AI tools. So we're going to go open up CapCut. I have it here on my desktop. And you will see this interface open up. The main thing we want to focus on is here where it says create project. So we're going to click on that. And I'm going to kind of speed through this because it's a very simple tutorial. I don't want to take up too much of your time, and you can always go back and rewatch the parts you don't understand. So I'm going to get my footage, which I have saved on my desktop. Let me open up this folder, go to my desktop. I have it here under stock footage. I will post this video link as well if you want to use my video for your own project, but you can use any video you like. So you're going to take your video and drag it over to this bin right here. We'll let it go here. This bin serves a purpose. The point of it is to simply store your video. So you can drop as many videos as you want here that you can use later on in your project. We're going to take this video and we're going to drag it down here to our timeline. We need to change the aspect ratio. The aspect ratio is basically the length versus the width of the video. And to do that, we're going to click on this little button here on the right. See, it says ratio. When you hover over it, it'll say aspect ratio. You're going to click on it, and then we're going to click where it says 19:6, and it kind of looks like the size of a phone. Once we click that, it's going to change our canvas size to what looks like a phone screen. And as you can see, the size of our video shrinks. So what we want to do is take this video and put it behind itself so that we can blur it out. But to do that, we need to duplicate it. So I'm going to click on the video here. You're going to press Control C for copy and then Control V for paste. Now you see I have two layers here of videos. One is on top, one is on the bottom. So what I'm going to do is take the video that's on the bottom, and I'm just going to click on this little anchor point here, click and drag to size it up. And make sure we're taking up all the space. So as you can see, this video is in the background in the bottom layer, with the other video of the smiling baby in the foreground on the top layer. So it's great. This is looking good. We're making progress. The only thing is both of these videos are in focus and it's kind of weird on the human eyes. So we need to blur the one in the background. So I'm going to click on the video on the bottom. We're going to go up here to where it says effects. In the search box, I'm going to type in blur, B-L-U-R, and press enter. You can see there's a bunch of different blur options. We're just going to click the second one here. You're going to click and drag it to the bottom video, and then you can let go and release, and now you see it's blurred. The great thing about these effects, some of them, they give you options here in order to kind of like, you can change the blur amount. So I can unblur it and make it clear, or I can blur it some more, and you can see it changes in that viewport. So I'm actually going to blur it a pretty decent amount. Let's put it at like 75%. And then we can watch our video. It's looking good. This looks post-worthy. Now I can put it on TikTok. So we need to save the video. We're going to come up here to where it says export. Click on that. We need to give it a name. I'm just going to call it Smiling Baby. The frame rate can stay at 30 FPS, and we're just going to click export. Once you press export, it's going to take a second to render. It's super fast on my computer, and that's it. Here's our video. If you want proof, you can click on here where it says open folder. And I'm just going to double click on my smiling baby video. And there we go. Nice. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I will definitely be making more tutorials like this on video editing and using AI tools. I really hope that you're able to learn something. So if you could do me a favor and like the video, subscribe, leave me a little comment. It really does help with pushing this up in the algorithm. And I thank you guys for watching.